What's up, everybody? It's your boy AP Black. I'm back once again, baby. Hope you're having an amazing day. Hope you know that today is a great day for some peace, prosperity, and harmony, and I hope you're receiving all three. Today we have a reading for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Check your placements, guys. First things first, I want to say thank you so much for your contributions, your donations, whether energetic or monetary. They are greatly appreciated. I'll make sure I leave a link in the Cash App in the description. Let's get into it. I've got some good feelings about the Sagittarius reading. Let's see what the cards have to say. Okay. All right, Sagittarius. Let's get into it. Immediately popping up in the reading, you have the Queen of Cups in reverse. You may be involved in something right now in a love matter, or knowing Sagittarius, love matters, that may not be exactly what you hoped or wished they would be. For some of you, I'm seeing that there may have been some deception in your love life. The Hierophant card encourages you to work on self. So some of you may be working on yourself right now in order to increase your finances. Finances may be a huge problem for some Sagittarius. Some of you may be in debt at this point in time, and that's okay. Understand that in time, everything changes. So this may just be a season. This just may be for the time being. The Knight of Wands in reverse. Someone may have pulled back on an offer, whether that be a love or just a communication that was passionate. Maybe there's someone who you loved who's not really talking to you as much right now. Being able to understand who you are and work on yourself and learn and commit yourself to a fulfilling inner life is what I feel brought this Magician card out. Because right here in the middle of all of this going on here is the Magician, Sagittarius. Like, just look at the card. Let it resonate for a little bit. You see a cup, a pentacle, a wand, a sword, and a magician with the infinity symbol over its head. And it's kind of symbolic that this card is right in the middle of your reading, right? Because all around it, you have those exact elements. You have the cup, you have the pentacle, you have the swords, and you have the wand. So this reading is pretty much telling you right now, in the center of your being, You are a magician. Some of you are wizards. Some of you are making things happen that you never even thought possible. Keep up the good work. Some of you right now may be a little bit outside of your own energy, though. I'm getting that this Temperance card actually isn't for you, Sagittarius. There's someone around you. There's someone around you who is outside of your energy. This is an outside energy card in this reading. Because you're the magician, you know what you're doing. You are putting things together that people never even thought possible. So be careful of the energy around you, because it may throw you off. Actually, no. You're the magician. It's not going to throw you off. I feel like you're helping someone right now. With this Strength card, I feel like that clarifies the idea that right now, someone is utilizing your energy to feel better or to grow, or at least to make progress. Are you helping somebody, Sagittarius? Are you showing someone a little bit of extra love? Put it down in the comment section if you are. Let me know. Because I feel like some of you are being rather generous at this time. This Strength card actually, I'm going to just point this out. The magician has an infinity symbol over their head. So does this Strength card. This person in the Strength card has an infinity symbol over their head as well. Just something for you to see, right? Clearly, these two people are within a knowledge, a level of understanding that's infinite. Strength is infinite. Magic is infinite. And these people are really, clearly, they have a greater understanding than most. It's Ace of Swords in reverse. There may have been a communication, or for some of you, someone may have told you something or told someone else something. But it being in reverse, it probably wasn't received too well at the time. But whatever wasn't received too well at the time, with this card being under the Magician, someone may be coming back. It's coming back to clarify that this that was said to me that I didn't receive at the time, I understand it now. See the Chariot card? Someone's maybe on their way for you, Sagittarius, or may have already come back. And you're in a place really where you're making things happen. Ace of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. The Lover's card popped out. The Empress card popped out. Nine of Cups popped out. And then the Star in reverse. So let's look at these, right? These are the clarifying energies, if you will. Ace of Pentacles popped out. There's something coming. The Lovers popped out. It's divinely destined. You see that angel? The angel is like, nah, y'all thought y'all about to be together. You better cut it out. The Empress. Followed by the Nine of Cups. Followed by the Star card. And the Star card was in reverse. But really, the Star card is one of those cards that, even in the reverse meaning, it's the same thing. Right now, Sagittarius, you guys are in place for miracles. You're in place for blessings. You're in place for I just heard power, like true power. I don't know what that means, but someone does. There's a lot of power within you. People don't see it all the time. People don't actually understand it. I feel to some degree, some of you don't even understand the power within you. But you do see things happening. You do see that somehow you get what you want. Somehow the things that you need come to you at the right time. It takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of work on the inside. But ultimately, you guys should know that something's coming. Something great, something beautiful, something full of love, something full of profit, something full of joy. You've gone through a lot to get here. This is beautiful. Keep up the good work. You know the vibes. Peace.